Hi and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to draw Cornelius. He is an original character that I created, and I created him because I wanted to practice character design, so I've been doing all of these picking his colors and doing a turnaround like the pros do, and working with the expressions, and I still wouldn't say that he's completely finished because I still want to do some formal clothes for him, and he also has a bird friend and a ukulele that I need to further design. He likes to steal things, even though he doesn't necessarily need to, and he likes playing the ukulele and singing, and as I previously mentioned, he has a bird friend. So I thought I'd draw him in a tree, sitting in a tree, and playing the ukulele and singing, and I wanted to incorporate the ukulele playing because that's something I do myself. What I do here is photo bashing. This is the first time I use it. I find that it's okay because it's my own pictures, but I've previously been way too proud to do it, and I thought that it wasn't really, I don't know, something you should do. But life's too short to render a bunch of leaves, so I just used leaves to sort of lay out a ground for me to work on. Then I just paint them over. Actually, it's a technique and a method that a lot of concept artists use, and it's to great advantage because you get a result that's closer to what you're eventually gonna end up with. And this is how it turned out. I'm really proud of it, or well, I don't know, it's probably my favorite piece that I've created in a while, and I really like it, and I hope you did too. And it's available as prints on various things like mugs and tote bags and wall art. And you can find all of that in my Redbubble shop, and I have a link in the description. And you can find me on most social media. I'll link that in the description too, and if you'd like to see more of my art, you can check that out. And I also have a website at imaginaryrat.com. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!